What's going on, everybody, and welcome to CS5 Unmasked. So in today's video, I'm going to be asking for your help. I'm kind of struggling on which costume tutorial I want to do next. I had just finished up my budget-friendly Jason Vengeance costume, but I'm really chomping at the bit to start a new project. So this is where you guys come in. I've been getting a lot of suggestions to make the Mortal Kombat X Jason, and it's something that I actually really want to do. But just something about the Freddy vs. Jason vs. Ash costume from the Nightmare Warriors comic that really has piqued my interest. But just something about the Never Hike Alone 2 Jason costume would probably look fantastic as well. So I want all of you to let me know which costume you'd want me to do next. So in the comment section down below, which Jason variant will be the next tutorial? The Mortal Kombat X Jason, the Freddy vs. Jason vs. Ash with the bloody stump and machete for a hand, or the Never Hike Alone 2 Jason. I'll let this video run for a few weeks, and then I'm going to tally up all of your suggestions. Alright everybody, until next time, this is CS5 signing out, and I hope to see you in the next video.